Are you shopping for a side-by-side double stroller and are having trouble because you want something that's good for newborn, you want something that works with a car seat, you want something that's light for travel, and you just can't find it? Well, I have the stroller for you. It is a Nuna TRVL Double, and in this video, I'm excited about doing a full review of this amazing side-by-side double stroller by Nuna. Side-by-side double strollers are notoriously heavy. They're hard to put in the trunk. They weigh over 30 pounds. And some of them work with car seat adapters, some don't, but this is a totally integrated system. I'm just gonna say the fold is amazing. Let me show you. Just like their Travel and their Travel LX, it folds just seamlessly. You can see just like that. So you can easily pop it into the trunk. The stroller only weighs 25.2 pounds, so it's not so heavy to go into your trunk. And this belly bar, which comes included, doubles as the car seat adapter. So I have a Nuna Pipa. It works with any of the Nuna Pipa series car seats. And all you do is you recline the seat and you're able to pop in your Pipa right into the side of the stroller. It only takes one Pipa, but if you have two newborn children, don't worry, fear not. You can remove your Pipa, and both of these seats are full recline for newborn. Unlike the Nuna Mix or the Nuna TRVL LX, they have these little, very smart little snaps on the bottom, which create an enclosed area so your baby can't slip out when they're newborns. So if you have two newborn twins, this could be a really great option. There's also an adjustable footrest, so all you have to do is pull it right up here, and as your child gets bigger, they can put their feet all the way down to the footrail, which is also really amazing. Now, you may have seen my recent review of the Nuna TRVL LX. So in their newer versions of their travels, you can see they do larger wheels on the back and smaller wheels on the front. So the nice thing about this, though this is a travel stroller, this also could be your everyday walking stroller for walking around your neighborhood. There's also an extendable canopy, so you can get protection from the sun. There's a little peekable window on the back with air mesh, so air can be ventilated and pull through. I'm telling you, this stroller has done everything. 250-pound weight limit of each seat, total 100 pounds. So you can really use this for a very, very long time for your family. I will fold this one more time just because it's so much fun. Pop it into your trunk, and it'd be great for you and for your family. Let me know what you think of the Nuna TRVL Double. Drop a comment below in the comments, and if you want to see that video of the Nuna TRVL LX, the single one, I'll put a link below as well. See you in another video.